intro. They have three syllables. So it's like a tree. Is it easier for you to memorize now? Yes,
Really?
definitely.
Is it
And
easier for you to memorize? Okay.
a little perhaps, mas madali pa.
Okay.
Okay, because we are going to teach you a song. Okay.
An action song.
An action song. Everybody will do the action. Okay, may I see your hands?
Raise your
Hands
hand.
over there.
Okay.
Okay, when you hear the lyrics, we need to be filled with the Spirit. May I see the boys? We need to be filled with the Spirit. And then walk with the Spirit. Be led by the Spirit of God. Just like a walkway. Again, let's do it. Ready, go. We need to be filled with the Spirit. Walk in the Spirit. Be led by the Spirit of God. That easy?
Is that easy?